Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pecan nuts. To begin, understand that cooking pecans significantly enhances their natural flavor and aroma, transforming them from good to truly exceptional. Whether you're aiming for a rich, buttery taste or a crisp, satisfying crunch, a few simple steps can elevate your culinary creations. We'll explore two popular methods: oven roasting and pan toasting, ensuring your pecans are perfectly prepared for any dish. For a deep, rich flavor, oven roasting is an excellent choice. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread a single layer of pecan halves or pieces on a baking sheet. Roast for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring halfway through to ensure even browning. Keep a close eye on them, as they can burn quickly. You'll know they're done when they become fragrant and slightly darker in color. If you need a quicker method, pan toasting on the stovetop is ideal. Place your pecans in a dry skillet over medium heat. Stir constantly for about 3 to 5 minutes. This method requires your full attention, as the nuts can go from perfectly toasted to burnt in mere seconds. Once they release their aromatic oils and achieve a golden brown hue, remove them immediately from the heat to cool. Once your pecans are cooked, allow them to cool completely before storing. Store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week, or in the refrigerator for several weeks to maintain freshness. These delicious, enhanced pecans are perfect for adding to salads, sprinkling over oatmeal, baking into desserts, or simply enjoying as a wholesome, flavorful snack on their own.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.